What's going on, superstars? In today's video, we're gonna be making this graphic perfect for DTF by knocking out the black and adding some halftones, then printing it out. But it wouldn't be complete without slapping it on a shirt, so let's get started.
What's up, superstars? This is Mark, and in this video, I'll guide you through creating black knockouts with halftones. Whether you're designing for print or just exploring cool effects, this technique is sure to elevate your artwork. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a backup of your original artwork. Select your artwork layer. Right-click and then choose Duplicate. Press OK. Next, we're going to duplicate the artwork into a new document. Right-click the layer again, choose Duplicate Layer, and set the destination to New Document. Press OK, now we're in a new document. You can change the mode to grayscale. Discard the colors. In this step, we're converting the artwork to black and white to ensure the black areas will be knocked out. Next, we'll adjust the contrast. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Play around with the settings to get a good contrast within the artwork. Make sure the details remain clear. Here's the guide on adjusting blacks and whites for color halftones. Feel free to adjust according to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the levels, go to Image Mode and change it to bitmap. Keep the resolution the same. It should match your original artwork, typically 300 dpi. Set the method to halftone screen. Press OK. You can tweak the settings here. I like to keep the frequency at 45 and the angle at 22. Don't forget to press OK. Zoom in to see the effect. Now let's copy this. Press Ctrl A to select all, then copy. Go back to your original document. Hide the backup layer and then create a layer mask. Press Alt or Option and click the layer mask, then paste the halftone version there. Now you'll see the black and white variant of the artwork in the mask. The halftones have been applied. Let's clean it up. Go to Filter, Other, Minimum, set the radius to 0.5 pixels and press OK. Zoom in to check if the edges look smooth. Let's preview how this will look on different shirt colors. Create a solid color layer. Set the color to white. You can see the artwork is clean. Now delete the preview layer. Finally, save your work for printing. Go to File, Save As, and save it as a PDF. Uncheck Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities for faster file handling during printing. For settings, choose High Quality Print and make sure to uncheck Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities. Click Save, and there you have it, a knockout effect with halftones, and you're done.
Hey superstars, I'm excited to share some fantastic updates from our website that will actually transform how you order and design your prints. We've always focused on efficiency and ease, and to continue that tradition, we're introducing a brand new auto build tool on our gang sheet builder site. This tool is a game changer from our creative customers who want control over the designs, really quick inputs for their easy arrangement. With this new feature, you can customize your gang sheets exactly the way you want it, as quickly as you like. We got our print. Let's take a closer look. All right, guys, it looks great. A lot of this background and even within it, a lot of halftones. I don't know if you could tell, but flipping this over, I gotta give it to them. Our graphic designers did really, really well. All right, wow. All right, let's see how big this graphic is. Right, let me just get this ruler right here. So on the height, we got around close to 13 inches, a little bit over. And then for the width, I'm going it by the two widest pieces, which is a good 10 and a half. I figure out over here, 13 inches. So it's 10.5 to 13 inches. All right, well, let's see what we're pressing on today. For today's blank, we are using this tote bag. I know it's not our normal blank t-shirt, but we wanted to see it on an accessory. So on this end too, we're gonna be using our Heatmaster Prisma for our heat press. It's a no-brainer, has been in all our videos so far. It has a 16 by 20 layout and a 10-inch pullout and has threading capabilities. I know it's not gonna matter for this tote bag, but still, that's pretty cool. All right, well, let's get started. For today's video, we are not gonna be using our laser guider, but we are gonna be using a heat press pillow. Since we got a lot of these edges and a lot of things that require a lot of pressure to at least embed. So we're going to do our best with this heat press pillow. I want to make sure we're not placing it where the seams are. Now we're going to use our microfiber cloth to make sure everything adheres. All right, guys, I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but it is glowing. It really is. The glow effect that they came out with, it brings it out so much, and I love the way this looks. Like, it looks incredible, it does. And especially on a tote bag, like, it brings it out, it really does. So yeah, I think we did good, guys. All right, guys, we showed you how to take this Midjourney AI design and make it perfect for DTF, print it out, and slapped it on a tote bag. I know in the beginning we did say that we're gonna use a shirt, but I think it looks better on a tote bag, honestly, for sure. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it, and if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. All right, well, that's it for me for now. If you guys saw value in this video, definitely leave a like and a comment down below. I'll see you guys soon.